Hello everyone, I'm Mustafa from Hero Laser. I'm going to demonstrate the operation process of this 1500 watt air-cooled laser cleaning machine. First, before using it, we need to ensure that the voltage is within the range of 220 volts plus or minus 10%. Once the voltage is normal, you can plug the power cord into the power interface and tighten it clockwise. Then connect the 6mm air hose to the gas inlet. After that, turn on the leakage protector, the switch, and the emergency stop button on the front panel. You will see a three-corner light where green indicates normal, red indicates malfunction, and yellow indicates operation status. Once the machine is powered on, you can adjust the parameters on the display screen according to the workpiece to be cleaned. Click on Save and Import consecutively, and you are ready to start the operation. For safety, please wear protective glasses, masks, and gloves. Do not observe the inside of the cleaning head output with your eyes. Do not aim the cleaning head towards humans, animals, or flammable substances. When starting the operation, hold the cleaning head and rotate the knob to give off the red indicator light. Place your finger next to the light switch. Double-click and hold to emit the laser, and release to stop the laser. After the laser is emitted, adjust the height of the cleaning head up and down until you see the maximum spark or hear the loudest sound, indicating the optimal focal length. Maintain the height and move the cleaning head forward and backward until the workpiece is cleaned thoroughly. After cleaning, rotate the knob to turn off the red indicator light, turn off the emergency stop button, and the switch. Put away the cleaning head. And finally, turn off the leakage protector. That's all.